Hey guys, in previous video I've made a new ISO called RT ISO in or under 30 minutes. Can I do it faster, right? With the ArcoLinux. So first of all, I'm gonna get my scripts in. So if you see previous video, you know what I'm talking about. So in here we have the Arch ISO, we have the packages. So it's gonna be a bit quicker. So behind this one, Control C, I'd like to have another text, which is add after or something, line after. So I'd line after, okay, after this one, you should add this one, like so. The difference is that this is an LTS kernel, git, check. So, oh, that's gone. If you do Sublime Text again, then you see that the control find ArcoLinux is in here already as a package name. So that's okay. What we have in the B, we should get back. So then D, oh, all of them from there till there. So that's shift for you. These are all the B's, all the rest, and these are all the core ISOs. So the core ISOs, I keep them separate in here. Ouch, right? I did not do a cut, I did do a copy, it seems. So I'll just hope that everything is okay. Control V. Now an easy way to check that out is go for git head. So the only thing that changed is adding this thing to the list. And the only thing that's interesting for us is this guy here, but then the ArcoLinux. So first of all, I have to create the GitHub, of course. So that's gonna be my name. Control C. That's gonna be here. Creating the GitHub like that is available, he says. Cool. Create repository, also cool. So if I run this and I run number 1, then I get the folder, the empty folder. I get the empty folder that says ArcoLinux. So this already have a successful RT ISO tested in VirtualBox. So I'm gonna copy paste everything here. Arch ISO readme, no, readme. So ArcoLinux, save, stop. Then the setup telling I'm Eric, and this is the copy paste from RT. So that's online. What I need as well is a Calamares configuration. So Calamares configuration, I'll get that later on with this one. Control C, Control V, LTS. So that's gonna be my GitHub name. Control C, save. Adding that to this. Should be public. Check. Create repository. Go here. Run this line. 1. Go grab the code. Then he says wrong guy there. So we have the XSLTS, XSRT, RTLS. So let's base ourselves on this one. Control A, Control C, Control V, readme, just general, setup who I am, and push it to the internet. Copy, paste from RT. So that's done as well. Now before building, I can already make my package build, but I shouldn't build it because I have work to do. That's gonna be my package name, and in essence it's gonna be rt-lts, LTS, voila, save, but that's for later. So two things I should check. Maybe the Calamares is the easiest one. So this one and that one is exactly the same. So I should compare something else, this one and that one maybe, and then compare. And we have here the RT. We should be coming modules, right? This one, that's the one. Should be called LTS, and in there should be a reference to LTS. My other machine is still open and it contains the linux-rt, so I'm gonna remove it and make sure that the way I write it is exactly the way what's in the boot. Or I can boot up another machine, Hyperlint. That's easier. Hyperlint has the rt-lts installed, I believe. So let's just boot that up. Pretty sure that's gonna be okay, but better check, otherwise lots of things need to be rechecked again. Control H, anything where I find XSRT, change that to XSRT-LTS. Replace, let's see if we can move things along with this particular way of workflow thing, right? So this one, Control H, replace, and that's completely bad. Now Control Z. So it's all nice and fun, but we should do our checks, right? Because behind here should be LTS. So let's not do that anymore. LTS, save. Save. In the meantime, Hyperlink has errors. So there are no guarantees with these kernels, it seems. Hyperlink and this rt-lts does not agree. Let's boot again. LTS. I guess we're better installed on the other machine. Minus remove the Linux RT and Linux RT headers. That one is out. Save. So it's just more tutorial than it is a future ISO. It needs to be reliable, yes. And we've had some discussions amongst the core builders and beta testers. The Linux kernel is the one we use daily. Some of us use the LTS, and that's as far as we go. it seems. Me personally, I've always used the Linux kernel. The ISO builder has never changed. Well, a few times, right, when we released Xenmod. But in the end, no issue with the official Linux kernel and its headers and NVIDIA. DKMS, I must say. In the meantime, he's did it and uninstalled it, so RTS-LTS and Linux. Still need to know the correct name, right? The correct name of what goes inside linux-rt-lts. Ah, okay, got it. S for install. The headers as well. Voila. Where were we? Okay, done. That's gonna be my package name. Thought that would break everything. Here somewhere. LTS. That's a problem. I need this one. Now what I can do as well is the Ctrl-C here. It's a bit faster, not much. Okay. Okay. Could make a script, find me all the RTs and change them to LTS, but rather use my brain. Okay, so we have a look here. All the RTs, LTS, 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 LTS. I'm looking at the long lines now. Okay, so this looks good. Best way to check it, RT to RT-LTS. Alright, in the meantime, the other machine is installed, file, boot. It's called VM linux-rt-lts, so that's okay. Fault as much. And then, so the check is between that one, and that one. For example, compare. So we got here an RT-LTS and ER and RT. Here we have differences RT-LTS. Just let's take a few of them, RT-LTS. And then there may be one RT-LTS, and here it becomes interesting. So that's different, that's true. That's different, that's true. ArcoLinux. I'm looking for typos, right? ArcoLinux, so this is the correct name. And in the meantime, I've booted up and let's have a look. Ctrl-T. Yes, real-time 1-1-RT-LTS 6.1.59.16 at the moment of the video. Okay. LTS. Okay. Okay, so that looks good. I used my time to do a recheck. Did I update already? If nothing changed, then I'll see it. Just often type update and nothing happens, so you won't see it, the word update. I have already my package built. If I can build it, if I want to build it, I can build it. So that one, and that one, that's maybe the best one. The only differences should be the LTS. Check. And then go. Wait a moment. Let's see if I use the parameter for the URL. Easy, right? It's a parameter for the URL. Don't need to change anything. That's that. It goes on the repo. Which repo? The repo to build ISOs. And then if it's built, I do an up. There you go. So all of this is online already and shared. Don't think I need internet, but let's leave it open. Alt-T, trash the wallpaper. And then we have a look at the ISO itself. So this one and that one is pretty much the same. That's it. So we need to figure out the differences. LTS maybe is different, XS and that one. So one reference to LTS. This one is the preset. Let's do that first. The preset of the Arch ISO of here, there, I think. Right, that one. LTS, 17 minutes in the video. I'm racing against time, less than 30 minutes. What fun, right? Eric is a strange guy. Refresh comparison. Okay, so I'll move you to the other screen. I want to have a full look at this thing. Let's write it like this maybe. Oh, come on, capital TS. Just the thoughts. And yes, we jumped number. And now the little bit more difficult. So Control V is probably gone. To be sure, I can't do it anyway. Or will I use like this? Maybe that's nicest. ArcoLinux. So basically I'm going to type everything. This is maybe something I can copy paste. Control C. I can use it twice. And here I'll type it. Bum, bum, bum. Right. Those are all the big LTSs, capital L. I think that's all. So something behind, something behind, something behind, something behind, like this. Okay. This is typos. Type, Eric. Okay. All right, another one. Here as well then. Okay. Small. Safe. Okay. Packages. So not the RT, but the ArcoLinux, and in the end not the ArcoLinux, but the ArcoLinux headers. Save. Profile. ArcoLinux. LTS. What am I doing? So that's that. We're at the end of the video, 23 minutes. Got off 6 minutes in developing the LTS here. But basically, that's it. We have our ISO, the configuration from Calamars, LTS. We have this, that can go, that we don't need. So, the ArcoLinux ISO RT-LTS. We up it. I should check it out. Changes to have RT-LTS. So we have a summary of all the things that I did. So this is another way to check things. So they basically just control yourself and check yourself. See that you made no typos. RGRT. Everywhere where they find the word RT, it should say RT-LTS. Except a few things like artwork and auto start and stuff like that. So, but all the rest, RT-LTS, RT-LTS, but no RT. Text with a lot of RT, done. So basically, 6 minutes shorter, I have myself a new ISO RT-LTS is being built, and that will be that. This video is all about how to create ISOs in ArcoLinux B. That's basically what we do. ArcoLinuxB.com. There is information, tutorials, how to create things, how to add more desktops to ArcoLinux B, add a DK, Xenmod, and so on. You can build your own ISOs, but you can also go a step further and build your own ISO. And one step further is actually creating complete distro, and all that information is in the guide to ISO building. If you know all the information I've shared in the ArcoLinux B's, in the Carly, in the ALCI, and the Arizer, you've picked my brain clean, and you know everything you need to know to create your own ISO for you, your family, the world, right? Create a distro. All right, have fun learning, and this video will go in the ArcoLinux B. Inside the tutorials, there is already how to create ArcoLinux XS RT, and now the RT-LTS. Cheers.